Hi everyone, welcome back to Barsan Homestead.
Good day, everyone. Sandy and I had purchased a little cabin that was 18 by 24, and we bought it as a package. It was being taken down. It has all engineered trusses, and it came with pretty much everything. And here we are just getting started unloading the engineered trusses and a bunch of plywood and stuff.
We even bought the insulation that was in it, and the walls are all there, the floor was all there. It pretty well had everything. The plywood we didn't want to put in our house, but we did want them for a shed. And these walls here, they have the siding still on them, and so that was the job that was for us now, was to remove all that siding and the tar paper and everything.
And we're pulling the nails and all this. I think it had 3/8 plywood on it. We're just keeping that for other outside jobs, but we're putting all new 7/16 OSB on our whole cabin.
It was a bit of a challenge to do this and quite tedious, and we've thought about it, and it didn't take us long to think about it. Probably by the time we were done this first wall, we went, what did we buy this for?
We're not doing this again.
Yeah, no, we wouldn't do this again. Maybe if the price was much cheaper, but it's a really big job to take something apart and then have to rebuild it again. And we knew that this was going to be the case, but we didn't know that we would have a bit of a deadline for weather.
Mm-hmm.
And we were up against cold weather. It was coming.
Yeah, and this did take quite a long time, because each wall, as you saw us strip it there, then there's electrical in there we had to pull out, and then every window's in the wrong spot, it's the wrong size, and on top of that, we had to flip the walls over to get at the opposite side to take all the nails out of the opposite side of the wall in. It's all mill lumber. It's milled lumber. It's all planed and everything. It's from a reputable mill and everything like that. And it's beautiful wood. Everything was good that way. It just wasn't built right. And when you have to take it apart, as Sandy said, put it back together, it just wasn't worthwhile. We could have built it a lot quicker if we would have just went and bought it.
Lessons learned. But we enjoy working together, and we still had fun.
Very much so. Here we are, just getting, I believe this side was the gyprock nails, wasn't it, Sam?
Yes.
And there was lots of them, and half of them are screws, and it was a learning curve. But you know what? It still turned out really good.
So this is just the part of the sidewall. The cabin itself, as Barn mentioned, was 24 feet long. So this wall was 24 feet. So we had to add on to it, of course, to make it the full 40. And the window, again, is in the wrong place, and had to have some reconstruction done. But we are just laying this one down kind of backwards. It's got the inside up, and that again is to take those drywall screws out.
We sure found our backhoe very handy here for manipulating stuff when it's just the two of us.
I just like to stay well out of the way. You just never know if something could break or fall or anything, and the last thing we needed was an injury.
And I like my girl in the safe zone. The inspector's here for a visit.
We got our first wall up. Very exciting. Okay, maybe we'll delete that part.
I like their idea, but I don't.
Every day when we're done with it, building the house, we cover it in tarps to protect the wood, to protect the floor. And every day, every morning, the snow and rain have to be swept off it. But God is good. We've got dry weather for now, and we're hoping to get part of that third wall up today and maybe more. So we went to a local glass shop and they had a whole bunch of used windows and we thought they were just gorgeous. They just needed to have a really good clean and a lot of scraping to get the old silicone off them, and there was some interior staining on them as well. But for the most part, we got a couple new windows. This one in the kitchen will be the kitchen, is a new window, and then there's one in the bathroom that will be that is a new window. But these other windows with the grids in them, we were just really pleased with them. The insulation is just up temporarily. We were just trying to keep everything as warm as possible.
We had the pellet stove and the Herman Nelson in the house at the first to keep it warm while we were working in there till we got the insulation up, and then eventually we got this wood stove pipe installed and the wood stove in also. The Herman Nelson works good, but it also puts off a lot of fumes, so we had to be careful, and it was nice when we got to shut that off and just have the pellet stove and the wood heater going, or we could alternate or whatever we wished.
That was awesome, yeah. Right here, I am just doing touch-ups on the window.
You said it was about 11?
Yeah.
And see, the solar is just barely the sun. It's actually not even on it yet, just a shadow through the trees. Eh?
Wow. So I'm just using a heat gun to take off some of that red tape there. I had flipped the window over. The underside is all done.
Hey everybody, we just wanted to show you, we picked these windows up. The insulation in here is just because we got our cords coming through the wall right now. We're working on the power. But what we noticed was, Barney, that'd be me, I had a ricochet on the nail gun, and you can see the hole in the window. It's only on the outside pane. So I kind of wrecked that one. Before we got them installed in the wall, they were leaning against the wall, and a nail took off on me and through there. Shows you how dangerous those nail guns could be. Anyway, this pane, this sealed unit up here, Sandy noticed when she cleaned it, in between there was, we'll call it moisture. And so we knew that this unit's bad, that one's bad because I hit it. And on the opposite window over there, and we have both panes out of it right now, so we could get solid measurements, or both sealed units out of it. We just covered it with some insulation and a piece of plastic for right now to keep the heat in the building, obviously. But this one and the other one will both get changed out. Right over here is the two panes, and the bigger one. So we've got them measured up and ordered up, and we will be getting a couple of sealed units. Well, two big ones, two little ones for our two windows, and we'll get those put back in, and we're back in business with two brand new windows. You can actually make out the head of a nail. I know the Lord told me when I broke this window here, he said, don't pull that trigger, it could ricochet. And I went, I got this. I'm sure of it, I got this. Anyway, I didn't have it, and it costed us a window. Anyway, it pays to listen to God.
We just wanted to thank you all for stopping by and checking out our cabin video. We're going to be having some more cabin videos coming up just to show you our progress along the way.
You know, this has been a really fun project for Sandy and I. We've always wanted to build our own little cabin, and the Lord has blessed us and we've been able to do it this time. If you guys like the content, please subscribe, share, and like. It helps us out more than you know. Thank you.
We appreciate you all. God bless you. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.